What's up, beautiful fam? Here are those fig trees that I got from Lowe's the other day. It's just been like 3 days. Hubby up potted them in these whiskey barrel planters I got over the summer. And in a couple of days, they've just responded. I don't know how long they've been in those other pots, but they just have really, really enjoyed this area. They're really responding well to this area. So it's Vlogtober, and just want to give you guys, I check my garden daily, but just want to share some updates on what's going on in the garden in October. All right, so if you ever go and you see some affordable fig trees, these are my first fig trees ever. So I recommend, giving it a try when you can get some at a decent rate, like $13. These are $12.99. Okay, so let's go over here to the grow table where I have my cabbages and my collards growing. They're doing pretty well. Not a lot of pressure